Filmmaker Prakash Jha, who is known for making socio-political films like Rajniti, Arakshan, Chakravyuh and Satyagrah among others, says the ongoing debate about being national and anti-national in the country is a great comedy and he's enjoying the whole drama. Prakash Jha was present at the song launch of his upcoming film Jai Ganga Jal, where he was also questioned about the GNU row. To that, this is how he reacted.
I think it's a great comedy which is going on. I look at it as a huge comedy. You know, in our country, the whole debate about tolerance, intolerance, and before this comedy act got over, there is now this comedy of national and anti-national, which is happening. You know, it's a society which is constantly churning. There are ideas, there are ideologies which are coming up, and we are still young as far as democracy is concerned. And so it is nice, it is good that people talk about it, people come up with these ideas, and the way they are being used or the way they are being played around, I feel it's fantastic. For me, who observes, for many people it is sad that such a thing is happening. But then when you realize that it is part of our life, like we are dealing with it every single day. Things have to be questioned, things have to be imposed, things have to be understood, things have to be like some channels will speak a different language, the others will speak a different language. So that is part, like how can everybody be in unison, how can everybody look at the things with the same eye and the same vision? It is not possible. So it's a pluralistic society, and thankfully in our country we have freedom to say whatever we want to, even if it is offensive, and I'm enjoying this drama, honestly.
JNU President Kanhaiya Kumar was arrested under sedition charges in connection with an event held on the New Delhi-based JNU campus where anti-national slogans were raised allegedly. When asked, will he also make a film on the same, to that he said,
I denied this on Twitter. Somebody had said that I was going to make it, and I said this is news to me. It's just a small idea. जो भी हो रहा है वो बहुत छोटा सा आइडिया, उसके बाद फिल्म के लिए बहुत बड़े आइडिया की ज़रूरत होती है, पूरी कहानी चाहिए होती है. और JNU के मुद्दे पे एक जो अभी इस तरह से हो रहा है, मेरा अभी कोई विचार नहीं है, ना ही मैं सोच रहा हूँ. हाँ, मैं देख जरूर रहा हूँ, ऑब्जर्व कर रहा हूँ. पता नहीं कब कहीं किसी कहानी किसी फिल्म में वो हिस्सा आ जाए, जैसे कि पीछे हमारी फिल्मों में आता रहा है.
Directed by Prakash Jha, Jai Ganga Jal stars actress Priyanka Chopra in the lead and Prakash Jha in supporting role. The film is set to release March 4. INS report.